Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So at the time of recording, there's not actually a feature within TikTok to actually delete all your reposts at once. So if you actually want to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up TikTok on your device. Come across to Profile page by pressing the Profile button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then if you come up to top right-hand corner and press on to the three lines, and from the pop-up menu, you want to go ahead and press onto Settings and Privacy. In here, what you want to do is come the Support section, so Support and About, press on to Report a Problem. Then on the next screen, you just want to scroll all the way down and click this button where it says Chat with Us. And what it's going to do is take you across to the TikTok help desk. Now in here, you want to send a message basically saying that you want to delete all reposts at once. So what I've done, I've just basically put, "Hi, please can you help me to delete all my reposts? Thanks." So what it's done is basically send a message back saying, "Hi, thanks for your feedback. We'll note you're for removing repost in bulk as we continue to improve this experience." Now if you want to remove one reposted video or remove your repost one by one, what you can do, and it's going to give you the steps on how to do this. So what you can do is follow this guide on how to remove your reposted video. So you can do this one by one. As you can see though from this message, it says, "We'll note your feedback for removing repost in bulk as we continue to improve this experience." So of course, at the time recording this is something they're looking into, but at the moment, if you do want to delete all reposts at once on TikTok, all you need to do is go through and remove them one by one, following in the guides that comes back from here. So that's basically how you can delete all reposts at once on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.